Hi everyone, let's crochet this little UFO that holds these aliens. I like this because you can practice making your own little ones that go inside. If there's an alien anyone wants to make specifically, just let me know and I will make a tutorial for that too. Up next, I'll be listing the materials. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with the blue piece. Combine the two blue yarns, we'll work them together in a 6mm hook. Make a magic circle, wrap the working end of the yarn around your fingers and cross over the tail end. Insert the hook under the yarn closest to your fingertips, then pull the yarn closest to your knuckles through. Turn your hook, hook the yarn closest to your knuckles and pull through. Take your fingers out, yarn over and pull through. Untangle the yarn. Now, when you pull the tail, it will cinch closed. For round 1, single crochet 6 into the magic circle. Insert your hook into the magic circle, yarn over and pull up a loop. There should now be 2 loops on your hook, but it's 4 because we combined the blue. Yarn over and pull the loop through the loops on your hook. This is 1 single crochet. Repeat this 5 more times. Pull the tail to cinch closed. Since we combined the yarn here, there are 4 strands in each stitch. If you're having trouble inserting the hook, then use the top portion to grab the yarn and insert your hook that way. For round 2, single crochet increase. This is 2 single crochet stitches into 1 stitch, which will increase the circumference. For round 3, single crochet and increase in every other stitch. So the first one is a single crochet. The second is an increase. Repeat this for the round. In round 4, single crochet in 2 stitches, then increase on the third, and repeat this for the round. For round 5, single crochet in the next 3 stitches, then increase on the 4th, and repeat this for the round. Now we are going to single crochet from rounds 6 through 10. Then I will meet you back here. Now we're going to work on this bottom piece here. For round 11, half double crochet in the back loops only of round 10. I'm showing the back loops in the stitch here, and again it has 2 strands of yarn because we combined the 2 blues. 2 half double crochet, yarn over and insert your hook into the back loops of round 10. Yarn over again, bringing up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. This is 1 half double crochet. Repeat this for the round. For round 12, half double crochet in 3 stitches, then an invisible half double crochet decrease. This is to combine the 2 stitches together to decrease the circumference. For the decrease, yarn over and insert your hook into the front loops only in the next 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull the loop through those 2 stitches. Yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. Repeat this for the round. For round 13, half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then an invisible half double crochet decrease. Repeat this for the round. Now fasten off with a slip stitch and chain 1. Use the scissors to cut and a yarn needle to weave in the ends. Now we'll make the string that we'll use to cinch it closed. Make a slip knot. To make a slip knot, yarn over your fingers like this, then insert your hook under the yarn closest to your fingertips and pull through. Now we'll chain 30. To chain, yarn over and pull through. Here are the first 4, and then I'll meet you back here. Okay, now we can cut and secure both ends with another knot. I just make sure this part is the same length before I cut. Now we can use our 6mm hook to weave in and out of round 13. I'm gonna fill it with my little aliens. If there is a specific pattern anyone wants, let me know, and that can be my next tutorial. Pull to cinch closed and tie. Now we'll work on the gray saucer. Like the blue, combine the 2 gray yarns. Insert your hook into the front loops of round 13. Begin by attaching with a slip knot. Insert your hook, pull the working end of the yarn through. Then yarn over. Round 1 is in the front loops only, so the stitches that are showing. We can work into the same place as we put our slip knot. I'll show that here. The pattern for this round is half double crochet in 4 stitches and then a half double crochet increase. This is 2 half double crochet stitches into 1. So here is the half double crochet increase. Repeat this for the round. Now attach the first stitch with a slip stitch and chain 1. For round 2, we will half double crochet 5 and then a half double crochet increase and repeat this around. Again, attach the first stitch with a slip stitch, then chain 1. It's half double crochet 6 and then a half double crochet increase. Repeat this around. Fasten off with a slip stitch and chain 1. Now cut with scissors and use a yarn needle to weave in the ends. I like to secure with an extra knot here before weaving into these back stitches. Carefully trim the ends. give it a little fluff. For the lights, we are going to take light green in our 4.5mm hook to make a half double crochet puff stitch. We'll place 8 around. Insert your hook into the top stitches of the gray and then attach the yarn and chain 2. Now yarn over and insert your hook into where you attach the yarn. Pull up a loop, and now you should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and insert your hook. Pull up a loop. You should now have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and insert your hook. Pull up a loop. You should now have 7 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 7 loops on your hook. Chain 1. Then fasten off with a slip stitch into the same place. Then chain 1 and cut. Take your yarn needle and weave in the ends. Carefully trim. Repeat that 7 more times. Now we'll make the windows. Using a 4.5mm hook and light gray yarn, make a magic circle. Single crochet 6 into the magic circle. Cinch closed. Fasten off with a slip stitch and chain 1. Leave a few inches for the tail. Just trimming this to get it out of the way. Place it where you'd like, then take the yarn needle and tail to sew. Here's the wrong side, which is more bumpy. It's the back of your work, so we'll put it against the blue. I sew back and forth. Then secure it with a double knot. Weave in the ends. Trim carefully. Make 4 more windows. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Go have an out of this world night.